So the project our team is working on is called Deep Fitting Room, and it is a deep learning framework that helps you to try different clothes at home. And the objective of our project is that given a few selfies of myself wearing a hoodie, it should generate pictures of myself wearing different hoodies in the dataset of different colors and various brands. And the dataset we'll be using on is called Deep Fashion and Deep Fashion 2. It is crawled mostly from Taobao, an e-commerce website that sells different goods and clothes. And it consists of 294 landmarks covering 13 categories of different clothes. Notice that the number of landmarks for different clothes is not the same. And also the photos are taken from both the seller and the customer of different angles and different poses. So before feeding these data into the dataset, what we'll do is a clothes extraction algorithm that's inspired by deepfake. And also we will perform a capture algorithm to reposition the matrix, reposition the clothes, and feed it into the autoencoder.
So after we process the data, as our friend Bruce has already mentioned, we used the autoencoder algorithm. So basically what we did here is we fit a 5x5 CNNs as the encoder, and we use a pixel shuffle upscaler fully connected network to reconstruct the image from the noise injected picture. So say if you want to fit the pink pictures with the red sweaters, we basically fit the original data into the encoder, then use the decoder from the red sweaters, so we can reconstruct the red sweaters to that lady in the pink shirt. So our loss is basically to minimize the reconstruction loss. So the slides is a bit off here. So as we try first month, there are some core issues in our research. First one, if we want to fit 100 hoodies ready to swap, we have to train 100 different decoders. That's a lot of training time and training costs. Secondly, we require a lot of training data for each sweaters because we need 100 or like 300 different pictures of a single clothes to train each decoder. So it is fine for our deep fashion because there are a lot of girls buying clothes on Taobao, but it doesn't really work with less data. And thirdly, it apparently doesn't work if you upload some selfie of your leg and you're trying to find a sweater. So our potential solution first is we're trying to start developing each decoder from trained networks with a clothes that's most similar to that. So we only have to do the transfer cost. And secondly is we trying to combine a category-specific decoder with a clothes-specific decoder to prevent underfitting problems to address the data issue. And thirdly, we're experimenting with GANs. So that concludes our presentation. Thank you.